recording at 4K and 30 frames per at 30 frames per second, but I like to check the exposure to see which is better and clearer. So this is 4K, 30 frames per second, and 0.0 exposure. This is 0.0 exposure. Let's try the next one. This is 0.3 exposure. 0.3 exposure. This is 0.7 exposure. I think this looks better. 0.7. Let's keep going. This is 1.0. This is 1.3 exposure. 1.3. This is 1.7 exposure. 1.7. This is 2.0. Definitely not 2.0. Wow. Definitely not 2.0. So I'm going to put them all side by side and let's say, oh wow, look at 2.0. Definitely not 2.0. All right, let's